Hey there, welcome to my kitchen. Let's make fried rice for my family and friends. So, today we'll be making fried rice for 25 persons. Trust me, this is the perfect Nigerian fried rice for occasions, party, birthdays, what have you. I would like to tell you a story about what happened in my life during my first year as an undergraduate. I went to Christ Ambassadors Student Outreach, Castle Futo. That's my fellowship. That I worship with Castle Futo. We normally have pre-fellowship before the main fellowship. 30 minutes pre-fellowship before the main fellowship. I don't remember who led in prayer, but as a means of summarizing, the person said, "Ask God for something special." Just ask God for, you know how they say, just ask God for something special. And then little me, I told God, well, okay, since they said I should ask you for something special, why not give me a surprise? So I told God to surprise me. My people. And then my elder brother, on the other hand, who covers for my fees and other logistics, now, well being, everything, he normally requests for my account details. I feel he doesn't like stressing himself, like going back to my text message to recover my account details. So he normally asks for it before sending money. That's his style. He'll be like, "Hello, NK, send your account details," or I'll call him for support and he will be like, "Okay, send your account details." So he doesn't send money without you sending account details. He's very busy, so he wants you to send and then he'll copy, and now. Um that's his character. So that fateful evening, after asking God to surprise me, I went home after the fellowship. Home, by home I mean hostel, room 207 hall D. Futo, Federal University of Technology, Owerri. My people, so I slept peacefully now. I wasn't expecting anything. Like, I just slept, you came back from fellowship, you have to sleep and prepare yourself for the early morning lecture rush. You want things. So I woke up by 6 to prepare for lectures. The year one rush and all of that. Hey, hey, Futo can stress your intestines. So I was preparing and then I checked my phone. Lo and behold, I received an alert of 10,000. Like, Piamu the calculator, 10,000 naira from my brother. I was like, how? I did not request for money. Like, I know, but we didn't say anything about money. In fact, I had enough to cover for the week. So, uh, uh, how? And the most shocking part of it was that he didn't even request for my account details. You mean my brother went through our previous test to take my account details, and to think he sent it that early? I don't know. Jesus. It was so surprising. I didn't know what to do. I didn't even know what to say. The only thing that came to my mind was, you asked God for a surprise. Here it is. And I was like, Jesus, is this how it works? Like, I would just pray na 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 na, and you answer na 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 na. Hey, like I was like, wow, God is really faithful. That experience built my faith. Like, it formed part of my conviction. Now I can boldly say God is my Ebenezer. God is my Jehovah Jireh. Like, I'm not saying God is Jehovah Jireh because it is written in the scriptures. I'm saying God is Jehovah Jireh because he has proven himself to be my Jehovah Jireh, my provider. Now back to what we have on fire. So where did we stop? So you repeat this frying process. See my rice looking beautiful. You repeat it until you exhaust the rice you have, until you mix everything together. You can see the color of my fried rice. It is not deep green, neither is it yellowish. This is the perfect Nigerian fried rice color, and you don't need to do much to achieve this. With dense kitchen chicken sazon, dense kitchen all purpose spice, you're good to go. You don't need fried rice color they sell in the market. Those ones they used to tie 100 naira, 50 naira, what have you. So this is the perfect Nigerian fried rice. So serve this beautiful plate of jollof rice, salad, and chicken with me. See what we have now. This kitchen don't used to take last. We give our best to whatsoever we do. So see my fried rice sitting pretty with the salad. Oh my goodness, you need to have a taste of this rice. It's so yummy. Thank you for watching. I would like you to ask God for something special. Ask Him to surprise you. Ask God to surprise you. I'll be here waiting in the comment section for your testimonies. Bye.